That right?
That's going to be the floor inside the closet. We're going to stain it with mahogany red. I love the wood grain on this piece of plywood. It was cut to size at Lowe's. And Brittany's going to get ready and do some light sanding. Okay, here go my daughter applying blue tape to the gray walls inside the closet.
Then checking your voice match settings.
Or should I stir it again, or it's okay?
The blue tape is all the way around the gray walls. Getting ready to brush on the mahogany red stain under that piece of wood on the floor. There's Brittany, my best helper ever. Inside a closet, laying in a closet, applying the red mahogany stain to the fir plywood. I believe it's like 74.5 inches by 24 inches. And it fits really nice inside that closet. Lowe's does the most incredible cuts.
Start your summer with better sleep. At Ashley's Summer Savings Event, you can find what you're looking for with all the top brands under one roof. Sleep cooler with our Groove Micro Cooling Cover, now just $800. Or choose the best comfort for your budget with Ashley Sleep Mattresses, starting at just $250. Plus, get 60 months special financing on purchases of $29.99 or more, made with your Ashley Advantage Synchrony credit card. Better sleep starts at Ashley. Subject to credit approval. Minimum monthly payments required. See store for details.
Life is more legal than you think, and LegalZoom is here to help. From setting up a will to secure your family's future, to taking the next step with your business and registering as an LLC, or sorting permits to legally run it from home. Or maybe not. When you need a legal hand, turn to LegalZoom. Visit LegalZoom.com. LegalZoom provides access to independent attorneys and self-service tools. LegalZoom is not a law firm and does not provide legal advice. Visit LegalZoom.com.
Here's the floor with the first coat of red mahogany. Now it has a dry time of 10 to 15 minutes, and then wipe off any excess with a lint-free rag, and then let it set for approximately 8 hours to dry, and then apply a second moderately amount of mahogany red stain for a second coat. And now we are 15 minutes later, wiping off any excess stain.
Okay. Now what?
Now we just get a shot inside. No doors, just grace, with Brittany Marie. No closet doors to block the view, just black sheer curtains, soft and new. But more than fabric meets the eye, God's fingerprints are standing by. Brittany Marie, with strength and grace, helped bring this project into place. Her hands, her heart, her servant soul made broken boards feel bright and whole. She measured, lifted, gave her all, answered the need both big and small. And through it all, God let me see His love at work through Brittany Marie.